Okay, let's solve this fourth problem in our topic rate problems. So the problem says Judel took a car trip of 320 miles. The trip took a total of 6 hours and 40 minutes. For the first 4 hours, her average speed was 60 miles per hour. What was her average speed for the remaining time? Alright, so this time we are going to again tabulate the given information to help us figure out how are we going to solve this problem. So this time, I think our 3x4 table is no longer enough, so we have to make a little adjustment because of the conditions and also the requirement. So I think we have to do 4x4 table. 4x4 table means we have 4 columns and 4 rows. So these are the 4 columns, and let's divide this into 4 rows. So the same information, we have to put our distance, then the rate, and then the time. And then the name of the person involved in this problem. So we have Judel. Okay, so no other person mentioned in this problem. So we have to write Judel in all of these slots here in this column. Okay, so first we need to write down what are the givens. It says that Judel took a car trip of 320 miles. So the distance Judel travels is 320 miles, or mi. So the trip took a total of 6 hours and 40 minutes. So the time taken was 6 hours and 40 minutes. So 6 and 40 over 60, or simply equal to 6 and 2/3. So the unit here is in hours. Or if you want, you can express this also in terms of minutes. So every hour, 60 minutes. So 60 times 6, 360. Then we have plus 40. So this is 400 minutes. So just be ready for this one, just in case it's easy for you to calculate the problem in terms of minutes. But if you can manage with this given, that's all right. So it's up to you. So we don't know the rate, but we can calculate the rate because the two informations given. No, if we refer this to the formula, that distance equal to rate times time. Okay, so we're given the distance, we're given the time, then we calculate the rate, so we can fill this table or this slot of the table. Okay, so let's try. So distance is 320 miles, and then the rate is unknown. Then the time is, for example, we will use minutes, so times 400 minutes. Okay, so we want to solve for the rate, to fill this slot. So let's divide both sides by 400 minutes. So R times 400 minutes. So divide this by 400 minutes. Okay, so we have minutes at the numerator, minutes at the denominator. Then 400 divided by 400 is equal to 1. So only R left in our right side. Then on the left side we have 320 divided by 400. Okay, 400 minutes. So this is miles. All right, so this is miles also. So we have, let's rewrite this as R equal to 320 miles per 400 minute. Or we can rewrite this as, to easily handle this equation. So let's put R on the left side and the other one on the other side. So we have 320 miles per 400 minutes. You can use this instead of minutes, but for me, it's easy for me to manage this in terms of minutes. So I just convert this into hours. So we have 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, so we have minutes at the numerator cancels out with the minutes at the denominator. So we have the rate equal to, so let's multiply. We have 320 times 60, then divide this by 400. So this is equal to 48. So the unit is miles per hour. So miles and then R. So 48 miles per hour. That's the rate. Or R equal to simply 48 mph. Okay, so we can fill this slot now. So the rate is 48. So I'll just use the red color to indicate this is calculated. So 48 miles per hour. Okay, so next we have the trip took a total of 6 hours and 40 minutes. For the first 4 hours, okay, first 4 hours. So we can put here 4 hours for the time. For the first 4 hours, her average speed was 60 miles per hour. So the average speed is 60 miles per hour. So the question is, what was her average speed for the remaining time? Okay, so we know that the total time given is 6 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, this one, or 6 hours and 40 minutes, or equal to 400 minutes. Convert everything hour to minutes. So if in the first 4 hours it travels 60 miles per hour, the question now is, what was her average speed for the remaining time? So what is the remaining time here? So total hours is this one, or in terms of minutes is 400 minutes. So we have 4 hours. In terms of hours, the remaining is, you just subtract now this one, then subtract by 4 hours. The remaining is 2 hours and 2/3. 2 and 2/3 hours. Or in terms of minutes, this is equivalent to what? So 2 times 60, okay, 120. Then we have 2/3 means 40 minutes. 2/3 is 40. 2/3 hour is 40 minutes. So plus 40. So this is 160 minutes. Okay. So the question is, what was her average speed? So we have to solve this. Okay. So what's the distance here? And also here. So we can calculate for the distance for this part. We can calculate the distance. So how to calculate the distance? Again, we have to use this formula. So distance, again, distance equal to rate times time. So rate, we are given 60 miles mi per hour, then multiplied by 4 hours times 4 hours. So we have hours at the numerator, hours at the denominator. So we have 60 times 4 equal to 240. So our distance is 240 miles. Okay, so this is another calculated value. So this is 240 miles. Then how about this? So we can calculate this one. I think some illustration could help us figure out, or you can actually get the value here by subtracting this 320, that is the total, but the illustration can show us clearly. Okay, for example, this is the total distance traveled. So this is the total distance traveled, which is given the problem. This is equivalent to 320 miles. Okay, and the total time, so we know that the total time to travel this distance is equal to 6 hours, or 6 and 2/3 hours. 6 hours and 40 minutes. 40 minutes is 2/3 hours. Or in terms of minutes, this is equal to 400 minutes. Okay, so we have calculated already that for the first 4 hours, so it travels 240 miles. So assuming that if this is 320 miles, so 240 miles, assuming it's here. Okay, so assuming that this is this distance is 240 miles mi, and then the time taken to reach this is the first 4 hours, right? First 4 hours. So meaning the time here to get into this distance is 4 hours. Okay, so from this illustration, we can already solve for this distance. This distance can be solved by simply subtracting. No? We have the total distance traveled is 320 and this 240. So 320 minus 240 equal to 80. So this is 80 miles. And what is the time, corresponding time here? The corresponding time is simply the total time, which is 6 and 2/3 hours, or 400 minutes, minus 4 hours. So minus 4 hours, so it means this is 2 and 2/3 hours. Okay, 2 and 2/3 hours are equal to, in terms of minutes, this is equivalent to 160 minutes. Okay, so we can put this value here. So 240, you subtract 320, so we get 80. We get 80 miles. So this is 80 miles. So the table, all the slots in the table were already filled up. And now we can calculate the average speed of the remaining time. So the remaining time is 2/3 hours, because after 4 hours, so this is the distance traveled. So after 4 hours, if this is the distance traveled, this is the total distance to be traveled. So this total distance minus this distance, so this is the remaining distance. And the remaining time for this distance is 6 and 2/3 minus 4 hours, so that is 2 and 2/3. Or in terms of minutes, that is 160 minutes. So we can now calculate the rate. Okay, so the rate is simply, again, we have distance equals rate times time. So I'll just do like this. Rate times time equal to distance. They are just the same. Then, since we want to solve for the rate, so let's divide both sides by t. So divide this by t. So the right side also divide this by t. So t at the numerator cancels out to the t at the denominator. Then remaining on the left side is only r. R is d over t. Okay, so I'll write it here. R equal to d over t. Then substituting the values. So we are given here, or we have calculated here, the distance is 80 miles. Okay, so 80 miles, or simply mi, divided by the time. So the time, you can use either this 2 2/3 or 160 minutes. It's up to you. So whichever is more convenient for you to use, so that you can calculate it quickly. So I will use the minutes. I will use the minutes, which is 160 minutes. I'll just multiply this by 60 minutes in 1 hour, or per hour. Okay, so we have minutes at the numerator, minutes at the denominator, cancels out. So R, or the rate, so we just, let's calculate this one. So 80 times 60, then divide this by 160. So we have 30. Okay, so we got 30. So our result here, the rate is 30. The unit is in terms of miles per hour, or simply R equal to 30 mph. Okay, so therefore, so we can say, therefore, Judel's average speed, or her average speed, therefore Judel's average speed for the remaining time is 30 miles per hour. So this is our final answer. Okay, so I hope you have followed it. If you have any question, just send your question in the comments section below, or if you want to make any comments, just leave it in our comment section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.